wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me. But it was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna. 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 I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. Throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me. But it was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna. You make me wanna. You make me wanna. You make me wanna.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look of this beautiful unit right here. So obviously in this video today, I did a lot of the styling on the mannequin head. I thought that it would be a little bit easier to do it this time, and I'm actually happy that I did it with this unit because it was super easy just to pull it off the mannequin head and plop it on my head. One thing I want to mention that I really like about this wig is that the density is amazing. This unit is 400% density, guys, 20 inches long, and it's a lace front construction cap. Now you get about like 3 or 4 inches of parting space on the tippity top area up here, so you can do like middle parts, side parts, or whatever it is. I did go ahead and show you guys that I customized the hairline by doing baby hairs, tweezing some hair back, and I feel like I did a really good job. Now the best part about this unit is a cap. The cap fit my head so perfect. I showed you guys on the mannequin head that I created the baby hairs, the sideburn tabs, and everything on the mannequin head. All I did was cut the lace off and plop this down, and it fit ear to ear, perfect, without trimming any of these baby hairs off or anything on the ear tabs. Everything fit my head perfect to the T. So this company definitely gives you the correct cap size. There's a few other companies that I work with that always send the wigs with the correct cap size when I don't have to customize it and cut off extra. So this is a true medium to average cap size, which I gotta say is an excellent thing. I didn't have to cut all this extra lace off or anything like that, so it fit my head very nice. Now I will turn around and show you guys the back, guys. This is a true 400% density. And one thing about this unit that I want to mention to you guys is that it's not heavy at all. So my concern with this unit in the beginning was like, oh my god, is this going to be too heavy? Like, is this going to be like just really bad? But honestly and truly, it's not heavy at all. This is a straight textured hair, but when I did co-wash it, when I showed you guys what it looked like, that wasn't when it was co-washed. It did give me like a light wave to it, which I thought was super pretty. Honestly and truly, if they have wigs from this company with like a light loose wave or water wave texture at 400% density, I would highly recommend going and getting it, because if this straight texture is this bomb and you get like a little bit of a wave to it, I'm pretty sure their wavy textures will be bomb AF at a 400% density. So with this one, guys, even though it's straight, you don't get any bulkiness, you don't get any of that crazy type of look. I feel like this looks super pretty. So all I did with this one, because it already gave me that like pretty light wave, all I did was go in with my deep waver on the 4 setting, which is a high setting where you get the bigger loose type of deep waves. I just went in mainly in the front area and like just the top of the back area and give myself a little bit more definition with the waves. So I think that this actually came out really cute. It gives me like an ultra glam type of vibe. Remember guys, we're rolling into like the autumn and fall season where it's kind of holidays are coming up. So this would definitely be like a really nice hairstyle with the earrings and stuff to wear to like a holiday party or wherever you're going for the season, for like, you know, holiday party, Thanksgiving's coming up too and stuff like that, Halloween. So if you have somewhere to go, like an event or something like that, or just like a family gathering, I think that this hairstyle is super cute and super nice. Like I said, it is straight texture, so you can go ahead and straighten it out, but I kind of feel like because it gave me that little wave, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and wave it up a little bit more. So that's what I did. Like I said, I'll show you guys what the back looks like. You guys will see. And like, I'm gonna show you guys right now, ponytail wise, this is definitely a 400% density, guys. Like, this is like hella thick. I almost wish I would have got this in like 24 inches. I felt like 24 inches would have been super dope. But listen, I'm happy with this because I don't really like that much like long hair like that. 20 inches for me. This is like 20 inch 24, so this is gonna be perfectly fine. I'm really happy with the baby hairs that I did, guys. Like, I think it's fun and cute. With this one, obviously you guys saw that I did the baby hairs on the mannequin head, so if you just want to remove that kind of like cast off look, all you gotta do is take a comb and brush it off. It'll still give you like the ringlet form and give you like that really natural kind of look. So I do think that I can go ahead and style this multiple ways. I can wear this half up, half down. I did adhere this one down with the Ghost Bond as well as the Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray. This will probably last me about 2 days because I do have some other fun reviews to do. So you guys will see me again in 2 days with some more reviews. But I have somewhere to go tomorrow, so I want it to be really flawless. I'll come up to show you guys the hairline. I feel like the hairline actually came good. This unit did come pre-bleached. One thing I do want to say is that I feel like they over bleached it into the hair. So I did have to go in and add like a little bit of a dark brown to the rooted area. The bleaching that they did was fine, but it just bleeded off into the hair itself. So I did have to go in and just put a little bit of a dark brown color into the rooted area. But as far as the bleaching, guys, they did an excellent job. I showed you guys even before I did go ahead with my new Caledonian foundation and put it on the inner cap. I showed you guys what it looked like before that, and it looked excellent. Like, it looks really good. So their bleaching job was great. I just felt like they had like a little bleed off into the scalp, into the actual hair follicles, but it was an easy fix. All I did was go in with some dark brown color and I just retouched up the rooting area, and that was that. So I do think that overall that the company did a really good job. Thank you SNS Hair for sending me this unit. Another thing that they have on their website, which I've not seen since eBay days, and I don't even know, does anyone really shop on eBay anymore? So on their website, they have something called auction. So if you go on their website and click the auction tab, you can actually go ahead and bid on certain hairstyles and stuff like that. I'll pull it up on the side screen so you guys can see it. So you guys can go ahead to the auction section, and you'll find like certain units that they have, and it'll be listed at cheap prices to begin with, but then you'll see like people that bid on the product and they've gotten it for like maybe like $100, $60, $50. This is my first time reviewing from this company, and getting this unit, I can tell you guys that it's quality. So I do read the reviews on the website, so you can go ahead and check out the reviews that other people did. So coming from me, I'm going to let you guys know I think that this is a great unit, a great company so far. Go ahead and check out their little auction section. They call it auction, but it's almost like bidding. If you remember how eBay used to do the bids, where you used to bid on the unit, and whoever had the highest bid, they would win the unit. They actually have that as well too. So I'll put it on the side screen and show you guys what that looks like. If you're interested in that and want to save some more money by bidding on a unit versus paying the full price, go ahead and click the auction center and go ahead and bid for your unit today. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below for SNSHAIR.com if you're interested in purchasing this unit from that company. But do not forget guys to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.